What you're looking at behind me is build number 3 of 50. This is Rob's VR550T. Now, if you know this program, you know what that means. 50 cars, a German manufactured 2.5-liter DDKA VR6 re-engineered by HPA to a completely different performance level. We're talking custom tri-flow cams, a fully built head with upgraded valve train, our HPA hybrid turbo package, upgraded DQ381, CNC adapted with upgraded clutch packs to manage that power, and our custom ECU mapping developed in-house. We're producing 550 horse, 550 torque, and most importantly, all on pump gas in a car that leaves here looking like it left Wolfsburg. Every build in this run carries a serialized nameplate. This one, this number 3, it's Rob's. One of the things we offer with the VR550T program is the ability to build a car around how you actually use it. Rob came to us with a very clear spec, and we built to it on the chassis. We elected the KW V4 Club Sport coilover, fully adjustable, compression, rebound, height, all independently. For a car making this kind of torque and power, you also are driving it every day, it has to be right, and the V4s get it done. For the brakes, Rob went with our front and rear new MQB big brake kit. Up front, it's a 380mm two-piece floating disc with Club Sport spec calipers. Out back, 350mm rotors with a 4-piston billet aluminum caliper with a fully integrated factory electric parking brake. To our knowledge, HPA is the only one offering a rear big brake kit for the MQB Golf R that retains the OEM electronic park brake, ensuring that there are no workarounds and the car behaves exactly as it was engineered by the factory, with significantly more stopping power behind it, however. Turning inside to Rob's VR550T, all Alcantara reupholstered throughout, rear seats, door cards, the works. Even the Recaro Sportster S seats have painted backs. On the dash, the VAD Pro display integrates into the cabin seamlessly with real-time data and an OEM aesthetic maintained intact. We're 10 cars deep in this program, more have been delivered and more are in the pipeline. 50 cars total, and that's the number that's never changed, and it won't. If you've been following the VR550T and you're ready to talk about a build, reach out to the team. The link is below. We'll walk you through what's available, what the options look like, and what commissioning your very own car actually involves. Bottom line, it's 50 cars built to be driven. That's the number. That's where we stop. Let's go.